Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to design engaging Instagram carousel posts. First, open the Canva application on your computer, and once Canva is open, you will see a button labeled Create a Design. On the homepage, click on it to start a new project. In the design creation window, find the option to select a custom size. It is usually located near the top or in the drop-down menu. Enter 4000 for the width and 1000 for the height in the custom size dialog box. After entering the dimensions, click on the button to create your new custom size design. Once the design is created, you will have the option to name your project. Type Instagram post to label it appropriately. In the top left corner of the Canva interface, you will see a menu labeled File. Click on it to open the File menu. Within the File menu, look for the option labeled View Settings and click on it. Then select the option to show rulers and guides. Now that the rulers and guides are visible, you can click and drag them to adjust their positions on the canvas. Navigate to the Styles tab, usually located on the left sidebar. Click on it to explore different pre-designed styles. Click on the color palette to select a color for your design. You can choose from the predefined colors or use the color picker to select a custom color. In the search bar at the top of the Canva interface, type Abstract Design and press Enter. Browse through the search results and click on a design that you like to select it. Click and drag the selected design to move it around the canvas, and you can also resize it by clicking and dragging the corners. Repeat the process of searching for designs and adding them to your canvas until you are satisfied with the layout. Click on the Apps tab in the left sidebar and search for Bitmoji in the search bar. You need to connect the application in order to use Bitmoji. Then search for emojis by typing in keywords or browsing through the available options. Click on the Text tab in the left sidebar and choose a text style to add to your design. Click on the text box to edit the text. You can change the font size, color, and alignment using the options at the top of the screen. Click on the Uploads tab in the left sidebar to upload images, videos, or audio files from your computer. Use the text tool to add tips or other information to your design. In the search bar at the top of the Canva interface, type dotted arrow and press Enter. Click and drag the arrow to move it to the desired location on your canvas. You can also resize it by clicking and dragging the corners. Take a moment to review your design and make any necessary adjustments to ensure everything looks good. Once you're happy with your design, click on the Share button in the top right corner of the Canva interface. Choose the file type you want to download your design as JPEG, PNG, or PDF. Finally, click on the Download button to save your design to your computer. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.